sånt sköttykortet on nyt.
And today's the 10th of August 2021. We have Takalankuja 6 that is be here, but there's also Evanantia 27 here in Laajavuori, one of the suburbs of Jyväskylä here in Keski-Suomi, Finland. Capacity is 4 per so 320 grams, but 6% faster. Built in 1969, they're 50 years old in 2019. It's going to be inspected in next year, 2022, and the serial number is H18100. That's interesting. Is it 000 in the other one? 099, I mean.
9.
Yeah, and here's 10.
Yeah.
So that's just a bit like some sort of order. That's one reason I want to know if this was finished in 1969 or 70. You know, we only finished there, but there's another sign on the door. It's only on the ground for him. Same with the stainless stay.
Yeah.
Let's ride it. Also has amazing sounds, but I think Sticky Say has slightly better.
Yeah. Spektiet pakken wij met dit balkon.
It's so great when they're bigger and more efficient. Someone is coming.